Trailer Parts Limited.
Yes, I was looking for a 12K axle.
We have them in stock. What length of axle do you need?
I got right now I have a Dexter on there. I've got some measurements on here. It says axle HF equals 74.00.
Okay, so it's a 74-inch hub face, and does it say anything about a spring center measurement or like a SC, like 46 or 47?
Axles HS equals 74.00. Hydro disc brake, no spring seats, calculate hub face and spring C.
Okay, yeah, so we have that axle. So you have a 74-inch hub face, hydraulic disc brake axle. That axle says the spring pads are not welded on. So we can give them to you not welded on just like that one, or if you want to measure your spring center to spring center measurement, we probably
mine has to be put welded onto to the ride well air suspension. That's the reason why it's not on there.
Oh, okay, perfect. Well then, yeah, we have it not welded.
So I have to cut the axle out, put the new axle in.
Okay, well yeah, then we got it. They're $1,500.
They're $1,500.
Yes, sir.
And what is that? What does it come with? Is that a complete? Is that just the spindle? What is that?
No, that's completed. Disc brake axle, like so the rotors and the brakes and the hubs on it, like ready to go.
Okay, what kind of warranty do y'all have with those?
3 year, same as Dexter.
3 year. I've never heard of y'all. I mean, I hate to ask all these questions. I've never heard of it. I just trying to see what comparison it is. Because Dexter's 4 weeks out on an axle.
And they're probably crazy expensive too.
Yeah, they're almost $4,000.
Exactly. So the Carter axles, it's identical to a Dexter. The only real difference is the brand name on it, obviously. And then Carter axles have a thicker axle tube, and they're all powder coated. But besides that, the same.
Okay. What would be the lead time on getting one?
We have them in stock.
Oh, okay. You have them in stock. Okay. So
you can come over here right now and pick up some if you want.
Well, I don't even know where y'all are located.
We're in Huntsville.
Oh, Huntsville, Texas?
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, you're right down the road from. Well, not right now. I'm in Montana, but I live in Kings, Texas, so you ain't too far down the road from me.
Yeah, I saw that 936 number, so I figured you weren't very far from us. So
okay, and I could and y'all have them in stock, so I could bring the other one and compare it. But it should be identical, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it just won't have it won't have the ride well suspension on it, obviously.
Well, neither does Dexter. Yeah, neither does Dexter. Ridewell is a completely different company, but Ridewell doesn't sell them complete unless they're 15K and above. And there's not enough market for them to go any lower because Lippert, Dexter, everybody's taking their shit and welding it on there. So they don't get into that market.
Yes, sir.
I was on the phone with them half a day yesterday trying to figure that out.
Oh, yep. Sounds right.
All right. And y'all are in Huntsville, Texas, you said?
Yeah, exit 118 right off I-45, right next to the pilot truck stop and Chicken Express.
Okay, I know exactly where that's at. Yep. All right. What was the name of this place again? I'm sorry, I didn't call so many people today.
Trailer Parts Unlimited.
Trailer Parts Unlimited. All right. TN4. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call my wife, but I'm probably gonna be just deadheading back home then because I think that's a better deal.